Hello guys, welcome to the German Language Institute video series. So in today's session, we will be learning the countries and their languages in German language. That means what we call the different countries of the world in German language that we're gonna study today. So let's get started. So countries and languages, that's basically what we're gonna learn today, that how we're moving on to the session. First of all, I will be speaking the country name in English and in German, and then I'll be telling you the language being spoken in that particular nation in English, and then the translation in German language. So let's get started. Country: Africa. Now the country in German language is called as Land, Land, Land. That means Africa. Africa is pronounced like Afrika, Afrika. The language being spoken in Africa is Swahili. The language being spoken in Africa is Swahili. And what we call language is Sprache. Language is called as Sprache. So Swahili is same pronounced like Zwali in German language. Now France. Country is France. In German language, Frankreich. Frankreich. The language being spoken in France is French. The Sprache, that means language, what we call in German as Sprache, spoken in Frankreich is Französisch. Französisch. The country is Germany. What we call in German language? Deutschland. Deutschland. The language which we are learning right now is German, being spoken in Germany. And what we call in German language, Deutsch. That means German is called as Deutsch in German language. Country: Turkey. Country is Turkey. What we call in German is, now over here this slight change, that means you have to use an article before the country name. The article is die, which means in English like the, but we are writing is the, that means the. So it will be the Türkei. T U umlaut R K E I, T Türkei. Türkei means Turkey. Now the language is Turkish. The language is Turkish. In die Türkei. In German language it's Turkish. In English it's Turkish. Now the country is China. It's China. What we call in German as China. Now over here there's an interesting fact. That means China is written same within English. That means same spelling. There's no change in the pronunciation. There's no change in the spelling. But the pronunciation will be like China. In the bracket I have written the pronunciation for you. It's China. That means China is being spoken as China in German language. The language being spoken in China is Chinese. The language being spoken in China is Chinese. What we call language in German is Sprache. That means in China the language will be Chinesisch. Chinesisch. That means Chinese language is called as Chinesisch in German. Now the country Japan. It's Japan. The language is Japanese. The language is Japanese. In German, Japan. The spelling is same but pronunciation is different. It will be Japan. The Sprache is Japanisch. The Sprache is Japanisch. Now the country USA. The language is English. In German, die USA. That means die is an article. USA, which means USA, United States of America. The Sprache, that means the language, is English. It's English. Now the country Italy. Country is Italy. The language is Italian. The language is Italian. Now in German, Italy is spoken as Italian. Italy is spoken as Italian. The Sprache Italienisch. Italienisch. Now the country Russia. Russia. The language is Russian. In German, Russland. Russland. That means Russia is called as Russland in German. The Sprache, that means the language being spoken in Russia, Russland, is Russisch. That means Russian language is called as Russisch in German. It's Russisch. That means Russisch. Poland. The country is Poland. The language is Polish. The language is Polish. So, what we call in German is Poland. It's called as Poland. The Sprache, that means the language, is called as Polnish. It is called as Polnish. Now the country is Spain. Country is Spain. The language Spanish. That means Spanish is a language being spoken in Spain. Spain is a country in Europe. And in German, Spain is called as Spanien. Spanien. The Sprache, that means the language, is Spanish. It is called as Spanish. Now the country is Great Britain. Great Britain. The language English, same like US, but there's a different accent and there's a different intonation sound between the UK English and US English. So Great Britain is a country, that means United Kingdom, where the language is English, and in German language what we call United Kingdom as Großbritannien. Großbritannien. Again, the language is Sprache, that means English. So English is pronounced like English. Now the country Egypt. The language is Arabic. In German, Egyptian. The language is Egyptian. Now in German language what we call Arabic is Arabisch. It is called as Arabisch. Now the country is Switzerland. The country is Switzerland. The language is French. Although there are 4 languages that is being spoken in Switzerland, the language is French. Now in German, Die Schweiz. Die Schweiz. So in German what we call the French is Französisch. It's called as Französisch. Okay. The country is Italian. The country is Italian. The language is Rätoromanic. Rätoromanic. Now in German, Italienisch. Italianish. What we call in German language is Rätoromanisch. Rätoromanisch. So these were the countries that we have learned today, and I hope you enjoyed the session. I request you all to please subscribe, like and share this channel, and you will be getting all such updates regarding my German sessions. And if in case you have any problem, you may please comment on the box given below. Danke.